Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be on this look right here. It is a 10-minute makeup look for the busy woman or the mom who doesn't have time or anybody who needs to get ready quick but still look put together. This is for you. So if you want to see how I got this 10-minute look, then just keep on watching. When you want to get off that darkest ground. So starting off our makeup look, I'm going to go in with my Nivea Men's Post Shave Balm. This is going to prime our skin to where our makeup does not move throughout the day, so it lasts through anything you have going on. Next up is our MAC Face and Body Foundation. The reason why I chose this one is because it is waterproof, so it will last if you're going to be sweating a lot or if you've got a crazy busy day. And it's also not crazy full coverage, so it doesn't look like you've got makeup caked on, so you can still see your freckles through it. And it's just going to give you that airbrush finish. Then for concealer today, I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This is going to go on my eyelids, underneath my eyes, my nose, and my chin to where it highlights my face. It also will prime my eyelids, and it's going to conceal all of our dark circles and veins that we have. Then I'm going to go ahead and set that with my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, and this is just going to make sure that none of this moves, it stays full coverage, and we have a good surface to blend off of for our eyeshadows today. Moving on to brows, I'm going to use my Brow Drama from Maybelline. This is just going to add a little bit of structure and a little bit of fullness, but it's not going to be crazy like filling in our brows. It's just going to be like a little bit of brow mascara just to where they look more put together. And I'm just going to brush those through my brow hairs. I love this. I feel like it just adds that little extra bit of fullness. I do have my eyebrows microbladed, but it will work even if you don't. Then going into my Morphe palette, I am taking those 3 shades on the far left. And I'm taking that first lightest shade, and that has a slight sheen to it. That is going to go on my eyelid just to help our eyes pop and look nice and awake. And I'm going for warm tones to bring out the color in our skin. So we're going into this nice burnt orange brown tone, and I'm going to buff this into my crease area and blending it out really well. This is a really easy smoky eye to where we look put together, but it's not something that you have to focus on very hard to get a really good result. And I'm just going to buff this in my crease, and then I'm going to go in with my darker burnt orange shade, and this is going to be on a flat shading brush to where that can buff just below that in my same crease area, and buffing it down a little bit on the outer corner of my lid and blending it into that lid color we have. Then going in with my Supreme Kohl eyeliner from Milani. This is just going to line our tight line, and the reason why I'm doing this is because it's going to make our eyelashes look fuller. It's going to make sure our eyeliner does not budge because when it's in the tight line it doesn't typically move, and it's just going to add that little extra bit of drama, and it's super easy to do. Then I'm going into my mascara from IT. This is from my Ipsy bag. Can't remember the name of it, so I will put it in the description box for you guys, but I'm actually really liking it. It adds just a little bit of fullness, nothing crazy, and I don't find that it's too clumpy, and it lasts all day. Then going back onto the face, I'm using my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, and this is just going to add a little bit of warmth to my pale skin. Not going to be anything too crazy structure-wise. It's just going to give us that nice glow and a little bit of that contour to our face, but it's going to be really easy to toss on. And I'm putting this on my temple area, my cheekbone area, and my jawline. Then going into my Maybelline, or not my Maybelline, my Milani Baked Blush. I love this color. I can't remember the name of it, so it'll be in the description box. But I'm putting this on my cheek area and also my nose. It's just going to give us that nice flush of color and still giving us that sun-kissed look. And I'm using this on a stippling brush because it is pretty dark and I'm very pale. Then I'm going into my Milani highlighter, and I believe this is in Day Glow. I will have to double check it. But I am going to be highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my eyebrow bones as well. Oh, and my chin. So this is just going to add that nice structure to our skin, give us a nice glow, and just a nice little pop of color to give us that nice healthy skin. Then I'm going into the darker burnt orange, and I'm just putting that on a flat shading brush, like a very flat smudging almost eyeliner brush, and I'm going to put that in the like outer half of my under eye area, and then I'm going into the little bit lighter burnt orange, and I'm just going to blend that out and blend it into my outer V area on that top section, just where everything blends together nice and smoothly. And then I'm going to pop a little bit of my highlighter in my inner corner just to help our eyes look really bright and awake, especially if you didn't get much sleep. And then I'm going to put a good coat of mascara to my lower lashes just to accentuate my eyes and make them look, again, more awake and more open, because everything we can do for that, right? And then going into one of my favorite lipsticks from Milani. This is a matte lipstick, so since it's not a liquid lipstick, it's not going to be crazy drying, but because it's a matte, it lasts longer. So I find that this wears a lot better throughout the day, and I don't find that it comes off as unevenly. It has a really nice fade to it. Then I'm going to set everything with my Mario Badescu Rose Water, and you guys are done. I literally did this look in like 10 minutes. It just isn't quite that timing-wise, because I said sped some stuff up and cut some stuff out, but it typically takes about 10 minutes to do this. You still look put together for whatever you've got going on. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and if you did, make sure you also drop a comment down below letting me know what else you guys want to see on my channel. Also check me out on all of my social media. I have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat. All the names and links will be in the description box for you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye!